Now we will see the nutritional value of oats. Unlike rice or wheat or maize, oats are not very highly regarded or very much cultivated food. But we will discuss there are a lot of nutritional benefits of oats. Technically, the technical name is Avena stiva, and it is generally used as livestock feed. We would add that to the feed of animals, and oatmeal are made from these oats, which are consumed as morning cereals, breakfast cereals. The general processing of oat is they are rolled and they are crushed. Initially, before rolling, we actually add the moisture content to these oats, and then they become softer. They are rolled, and then they are crushed to make the smaller particle size of them, and they can be grounded into flour. And that flour can be used for different kind of products. For example, oatmeal cookies. These are not very common in Pakistan, but the oatmeal and oat products are highly regarded in other countries because of the health benefits. If we talk about the crop and its growth pattern, it can grow in the colder environments and the wetter environments as well. Even in areas where wheat cannot grow, we can have oat crops grown very easily. It is harvested in the same manner as we harvest wheat. But one important consideration before harvesting is that it should be harvested when the moisture is not more than 13%. Because all the crops, when they have got higher moisture content and when they are harvested, that would encourage the growth of different molds and different other microorganisms. So that can destroy the quality of these grains at the end. They can be milled. They can be used as ingredient for bread, and they can also use as thickener of soups. But if we talk about the value of these oatmeals and why they are used as very routine breakfast cereals, is that the outer bran part is it have a lot of soluble fiber, and that soluble fiber is linked with the reduction of cholesterol. So it is very heart healthy. It can have very good cholesterol lowering effect. Another important property of cholesterol, these oats, is basically they have got low GI value. By that I mean that they are not digested very quickly. Their starches actually they stay in the intestine for a longer time, so you can feel fulfilled for a longer time. You don't need to eat a lot of food afterwards, so it can slowly release the glucose from this. So that would mean that you can have sustained release of glucose for a longer time. You don't feel hungry or you don't feel low energy. As well as it can reduce the cholesterol content as well. So it is highly regarded crop world over. Although in Pakistan we do use this for only for animal feed, and we don't see much of the uses, or it's not very popular as a breakfast cereal. But nutritionally it is highly regarded world over, and there are a lot of other products available from the oat, or the oat flour is generally used in a lot of other products. So this was all about the importance of oats.